Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of the city of Kingston. We are heading towards Bogwalk. So we are currently on Mandela Highway heading towards the Edward Seaga Highway, or the north-south leg of Highway 2000. And then we'll head over to, we'll exit the highway at the Angels exit, which will take us directly to the Bogwalk Gorge. Alright, so Mandela Highway, this is the road we're on. This is probably the nicest road you'll find in Jamaica. It's a 6-lane highway, 3 on each side, has a concrete barricade, has the street lights, and this is actually the busiest road in Jamaica. One of the reasons is because you can access both major highways in Jamaica from this road. So if we were to go left here now, go in the left lane where those two cars are, we go on to the PJ Patterson Highway, or the east-west leg of Highway 2000. And that takes us along the south coast of Jamaica. But we are going to continue straight and stay on Mandela and access the north-south leg of Highway 2000, which takes us to the north coast. So if you notice now, Mandela has become 2 lanes, but that's going to change soon, because the Greater Infrastructure Development Program is to start soon, although no date has been given. But the main project, or one of the main projects in that program, is to expand Mandela Highway, the section from where the 3 lanes ended, right when you access Highway 2000, to 6 lanes. So this road is going to be renovated. It's going to look like the road that we just came off of, or the section of the road we just came off of, and that highway will run all the way to the Harborview roundabout. So if we turn left here, you will go into Portmore, the municipality of Portmore. Continue straight and you head towards Spanish Town. So you can see now why Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. You use it to access both major highways in Jamaica, and you also use it to access Portmore and Spanish Town, 2 of the largest towns, or 2 of the largest populated areas in Jamaica. And the section that we just came off of, that was renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. It cost 64 million US, and that was phase 1 of the renovation. Phase 2 will be under the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, and the section we're driving on now will be renovated and look like the section that we previously drove on. Now you can see that this road was always designed to be 6 lanes, because look to the left, there is so much space on either side of the road for the road to be expanded. It costs a lot of money. 64 million US is probably close to $1 billion Jamaican. Costs a lot of money. So usually when the roads are so expensive, they build them in phases. And this is not a toll road, so it's not like you could get a foreign entity to build it, or a foreign corporation, and then they charge toll to recoup the cost. Expanding this road is going to have to come through the government of Jamaica, because this is not a toll road. Now the road we're going on, we're turning right now onto the Jamaica North-South Highway. This road is also known as the North-South Highway 2000 North-South leg, and this road is also known as the Edward Seaga Highway. Now look at this motorbike on the right. They are driving on the wrong side of the road, and you wonder why there are so many accidents in Jamaica. Now they have to stop. Unbelievable the way some of the things people do in Jamaica. They are on the opposite side of the road. And then here you can see the police hard at work. Alright, so now this is the Caymanos Toll Plaza. So remember, Highway 2000 is a toll road. It was built by foreign companies and the government gave them a concession to collect toll. This road we're on, the concession is 50 years and the company will collect the toll and use that to recoup the cost of building the highway.
Please press the button FT. Safe journey.
So this is now this is the highway. As you can see, it's a very nice dual carriageway, and this highway runs from Caymanos all the way to Miami Bay or Ocho Rios. It's a very nice road. It's one of the most expensive roads ever built in Jamaica. But you can get from Kingston to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes when you drive on this road. You have to pay a toll, and it depends on the size of your vehicle. You have class 1, which is a regular car, class 2, which is a SUV and some pickups, and class 3 will be like a bus. So we are in a class 2 vehicle, so I can tell you the toll to drive from Kingston to Ocho Rios is 3,600 Jamaican, which is about 25 US. In a class 1 vehicle, it's 1,800 Jamaican, which is about 13 US. But it saves time and it's a much easier drive because you don't have to go over Flat Bridge and you don't have to go over Mount Russell. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.